Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. It is continuation series on SAP SD Real-Time Scenarios. In other words, we can say that SAP SD enhancements. There is a requirement from business. They want to have a new custom field, the sales order item level. So if you want to add any field in the sales order screen, item level or header level, then we can add the field in the tab called additional data A and additional data B only. In other tabs, system won't allow us to add. We can add that, but if we want to add that field in other tabs, then we should use access key. And in those tabs, SAP won't provide any support if something goes wrong. That's why it is recommended and requested from SAP to use and add the field in the tab called additional data A and additional data B in sales order screen. Okay, so now the intention of adding this custom field, the sales order item level, is that they want to apply or exempt some tax to certain customers, to certain materials based on some custom field. That field should be controlled in the sales order item level. So according to the value what we maintain in that custom field in the sales order item level, the GVAT or VAT should be determined. In some customers, some materials, it might be 10 percentage. In other cases, it might be 5 percentage. In some other cases, it might be completely 0 percentage VAT, no VAT at all. So they can control it based on this field. Okay, now let's see how can we fulfill this customer end requirement. So field should be added into table, right? Sales order table is VBAP. The custom field is, I will be naming it as GZZ tax end. For example, once we add the field, then we should add the field in the screen level as well. Then only we can see that field in sales order screen, right? For header screen number is 8309. For item screen number 8459. This is a this is kind of user exits only, which is provided by SAP. So in these screens, we can add our custom field. Then only it will be displayed in the sales order screen. So once we add the field, then we should use the function model. Okay. So in my case, the expectation from business is that they want to have like this. So they want to have drop down like this. And if you click drop down, they will be having some values here. So they can select. So to populate the required values to this drop down, we can use the FM function model VRM set underscore values. By using this value FM, we can set the values, and this FM can be used in the PBO, process for output. It's one of the concept in ABAP. Okay, so in PBO we should add the function model and populate the required values. So field has been added in the screen table level, and same has been added in the screen level, and data has been populated into the drop down in the scissor screen. Now we need to, when we save the order, when you click save button in the order, that time those data should be stored into the VBAP table into this field, right? How that can be achieved? To store any custom field values. Okay, Then we should write some code in the user exit. That is user exit move field to VBAP in include MV45 AFZZ. So in this include MV45 AFZZ, we have an user exit move field to VBAP. So in this user exit, we can write a code to populate. For example, VBAP ZZ tax end equal to populate some value here, right? So whatever we select in the screen level, right, that we can populate here. So the code should be written here. This is the simple flow, simple way, simple steps that we should follow to populate or display any custom field in the screen. The first step is to add the field in the VBAP. You see, already we saw here two field has been added, a custom field, right? Once that is done, then we should add the field in the screen level 8459. That can be done in the see here. This is the 8459 screen. So here we can add our new custom field. Later, we can populate the values to that field drop down by using this VRM set values. Finally, we can use that user exit field move field to VBAP to populate the data to this VBAP database table level. So this is how we should follow and fulfill the customer requirement. Thanks everyone. We will meet in the next video.